welcome everyone. My name is Azalea, and we are the Discus team. Now, the purpose of our app is to be the one-stop shop for information discussing disc golf. Our app is the ultimate disc golf companion, catering to everyone, from beginners to pros. We want to be your to-go source for all things disc golf, whether it be offering insights into its history, its rules, the game plays, the diverse playing locations, and where to find your best gear. You can even come on here and save and rate your favorite courses if you like. Everything you need to know about disc golf will be right here in your fingertips. So with that, I would like to turn it over to our teammate Giovanni, who will now lead us through our creative processes of our app.
Thank you, Azalea. Our journey began with the vision from our leader, Joshua, who is passionate in disc golf. Our vision was to create a website catered to everyone, no matter if you've never heard of this sport, yet caught your interest, and to an expert level. Why is this project game changer, you may ask? Well, it's an all-in-one website. We want you to make disc golf exclusive and accessible for everyone, regardless of their skill level. The impact, bringing more people into the world of disc golf and helping existing players refine their techniques. Our workflow is as precise as perfect, but we use Slack and Zoom meetings along with this amazing third-party app called Miro, which is a website to create a blueprint for our website. Our project progresses smoothly, just like this, scaling through the air with a dab of up and downhill battles. So whether you're beginner, intermediate, or pro, Discus is your go-to resource. Join us in our journey of disc golf mastery. Now I'll be passing to Joshua, our leader, to explain our user base.
Thank you, Giovanni. Hello, my name is Joshua, and I'm going to give you a tour of Discus. Like Giovanni said, we designed this website with everyone in mind, beginners and veterans alike. Our homepage is sleek and to the point, allowing users to dive into the site with its various tools and features. But before we get too into it, I'd personally like to thank everyone on my team. Without them, this app wouldn't have been possible. If you'd like to get in touch with us, we've included all of our LinkedIns and GitHubs down below. Now, back to the website. Starting off, one of our most prominent features is our disc golf search tool. We've given users the power to filter disc golf courses based on a few different parameters, such as the name of the course, for example, Shiprock, the state that the course is in, Georgia, as well as the potential terrain of the course, for example, a flat course or a hilly course. We've selected over 15 courses to view in the United States, but in the future, we'd like to include a more robust number so this app is more accessible on a wider scope. We've also included the map to the right, allowing users to visualize courses in their region. It doesn't just stop at the courses being shown on a list, however. Each course page contains detailed information, such as the name of the course, the address, and the projected difficulty. There are also systems in place that allow the users to favorite courses and leave reviews. These systems allow users to know the course before they go. A user does, however, have to be logged in and registered with our system to access these features, so let's quickly register. To ensure a degree of security, we've ensured that passwords and usernames have to be within certain lengths. For example, passwords have to be between 8 and 50 characters. And now that we've logged in, we have access to those features we didn't have previously, like favoriting and leaving reviews. As for new people trying to get into the sport, we have a custom-tailored FAQ section that answers a few common questions people might have, like what is disc golf, how many people can play, the type of special equipment you'll need. And we also have a user-driven Q&A corner where a user can ask a question and have it answered by another user. We also have a resources tab that shows users all the different things they might need before getting into the sport, like equipment-wise, like the different types of disc golf discs, as well as certain things that they might need to be aware of, for example, flight rating systems and the different popular brands that they might want to consider buying from before anything else. For our more seasoned players or players simply wanting to up their game, we have a tournament corner that currently displays all the ongoing tournaments, tournament rules and nuance, and a form for tournament proprietors to advertise their venues. They would just put in their tournament name, the location, description, and the various things like rewards and ratings increase and the number of people attending. For those on the go, we have a tool where users can generate a one-time scorecard to keep track of their score as the game progresses. This also has multiplayer functionality, so you can play with your friends on the go and hassle-free. Finally, our users themselves have an account page where they can view all of their favorite courses and all the reviews they've made, as well as their username. And when the user is done with the site, they can simply sign out and go about their day. I'm going to stay signed in though. That about wraps up our site tour. I'm going to toss the presentation over to another one of our members, Valeri, to talk about some of the technology we used.
Thank you, Joshua. Our project is mainly Java-based, utilizing Spring Boot's MVC architecture for efficient CRUD operations, and they're managed through repositories and H2 console. We enhanced the user experience with CSS and JavaScript, delivering an interactive interface. We integrated Google Maps API and geocoding for location-based functionalities. Our system employs CRUD operations utilizing HTTP post and delete methods for features like reviews and favoriting system. To ensure user data is secure, we utilize cookies and authentication token to create and store their data locally on a computer. And now I'll let Kerwin explain Map API and more in detail.
Thank you, Valeri. We use the Google Maps API to display the maps and mark the courses and locations onto our site. The Google Map API has a geocode library that allows us to take the address of the courses in our repositories and auto-generate the coordinates. We also incorporated the ability for users to click the markers on the map, showing the pop-up info window. From here, a hyperlink is available to redirect the user to the actual Google Maps where they can find directions to the course. Throughout this project, we followed Agile and Scrum methodology. Majority of our team met for 15 minutes daily to communicate progress and any issues we encountered. We used the program Miro to construct the wireframe and visualization of our project. This made sure our CSS styles were aligned with the final vision of the project. We also utilized GitHub version control and GitHub project board to track assignments and completion of tasks. If we had any issues with one another or one of the components of the project, we also use Slack to communicate code reviews and debug meetings. Although it was a challenge to unite all our different schedules, all of these programs made it very easier for us to stay in sync as a team. I'll now pass it on to Adrienne.
Thank you, Corinne. Hello, everyone. As we wrap up our presentation today, we want to take a moment to reflect on our journey in creating this disc golf app. This project represents not just lines of code, but countless hours of learning, collaboration, and determination. In the We Can Code It Bootcamp, we've embraced the challenges, the late nights, and the moments of triumph as we transformed an idea into a fully functional app. Our shared passion for tech fueled our creativity and drive, and it's a testament that what a dedicated team can achieve. This app isn't just about disc and baskets, it's about the spirit of innovation and our commitment to provide added features for disc golf enthusiasts, such as the ability to customize the user profile in the future and add birthdays or special dates. We've built a platform that brings together players of all levels, including beginners. In closing, we want to express our gratitude to each member of our team for their hard work and dedication. Thank you all for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing our disc golf app with you. We can't wait to see you on the course. And now we open for questions.